All right, let me show you how you can look up savings. If you're going to join Save Club, all right, how do you just find out, okay, can I save on tires if I go eat here, if I go shop there, if I vacation, take a lift to the airport, fly, land, get a hotel, and go to, let's say, Disney World or Universal Studios or whatnot, okay? Everything I just mentioned, believe it or not, there's savings on all of those things, okay? Let me show you what to do. Now, if you're in Save Club or not, okay, still same process. All right. Anyway, guys, go to ilovesaveclub.com, okay? Just watch a short little video, put your contact information in the little box on the right of the screen, and we'll go from there, okay? Now, this is the back office to Save Club. So if you do join, you're just going to log in, username, password. All right, I'll show you the home page. Okay, and this is what it looks like. You got this couple just smiling, having a good time. But anyway, do you see at the top of my page, it says My Deals. And you see the tab off to the left? Click it. They both go to the same page. Now, let me get my face out of the way here. If you look at the very top, it's going to say travel, parks, tickets. Do you want to eat at restaurants or play, do entertaining things, or just shop in general? All right, hit any one of those tabs, or you can hit this menu, and which I will. But just scroll down. You can search here for pizza or Costco, tires, health, beauty, weight loss, tanning, every category on earth. And I mean every place on earth. This isn't just an American, Canada, Mexico thing, or UK, or Asia, Africa, Australia. Guys, everywhere on planet Earth. Now, see where I put Salt Lake City? I put a zip code of 84120. That just shows me local things and national, like Progressive, Walmart, Progressive Insurance, for car or home or whatever you're going to do. But just go ahead and hit that little edit button, or what is that? That's always like an edit pen or whatever it is. But click that and just put in a zip code where you live or where you're going to go visit. And you can see deals that are, obviously centered around Salt Lake City in my case. But look, when you scroll down, look, there's obviously the big, massive places people go to, Disney and Universal, which is always cool. And there's Progressive, like I was telling you. It's Mother's Day with some roses and chocolates. And look, there's so much stuff. HelloFresh for great food, 1-800 baskets, flowers. There's Papa John's where you can go buy a pizza and go home and cook it. Or is that Papa Murphy's? I always get it messed up, but Papa John's, Papa Murphy's. Costco's massive here. Ford, save $5,000 on something. Holy crap. Subway for a snack. Popular brands. You're going to save at Home Depot, which I love. I go there all the time. Okay, but I could spend literally 10 hours right now going over the deals. Hit that little button there. Look, this is one of the menus. And you can just see, guys, flights, car rentals, parks, hotels. I mean, automotive alone will take you 5 hours just to look at everything. And see, when you put in, the local zip code, okay, you're going to get like things that might be in your neck of the woods. Now, I live where there's just tons of skiing, okay? So it's kind of nice that if it does bring up, like, see where it says ski, snowboard, right? Or ski and snowboard. All right, if I click that, it's going to go to everything around here where I can go rent skis, buy equipment, and go up in the mountains and just ski at Deer Valley, Park City, Snowbird, Alta. I mean, but I think you guys get the gist, okay? Just remember, when you log in, you're just going to go to My Deals, either right there or right there, and just shop in your mind. You don't have to buy something, and don't go out of your way to pretend to buy something, because it's only $19.97 a month. Okay, see if you can save for real. And if you can, you're going to be a big fan. You're not going to be embarrassed to be a part of Save Club. You're going to be kind of like going, damn, this thing's kind of cool. And tell people a message, a social media post, whatever. You're not going to be embarrassed to talk about it. Become an affiliate, guys. $60, that's it. Yep. 3 $20 bills. $60, $19.97 a month. So if you want to join, do the $79.97. Remember, if you join for the year, you're on VIP status and you're going to make bigger commissions when people sign up. You can make either $20 to $32. Okay, so if you sign up with me today, and if I make $20, thank you. Okay, that buys me Papa Murphy's, or maybe go to Subway, get myself a little submarine sandwich. All right. Some people call them hoagies. I call them submarine sandwiches because they kind of look like a submarine, a cigar, or a piece of poop. Okay. All right, guys. I think you've had enough little demonstration here. Go to ilovesaveclub.com. Just fill out the information for me. Get a hold of me if you need me, Cory@CoryDraper.com. You can also find me on, I guess, on Facebook inbox. That's kind of cool. What I like to do is, I'm a fast typer. I don't do business on my cell phone. My fingers are too big and my eyes have to squint. But boy, if you get a hold of me on Facebook or email, I can type as fast as a secretary at a law firm. Okay? All right, guys, you have a good day, and thanks for watching my videos. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. You have a good day. Little peace and love. Thanks, guys. See you soon.